Manual SN95 guys. Whether you're doing a driveline refresh or just a full-on clutch swap, this is not one that you're going to want to miss. That's right, today we're going to be talking about the cable-driven Trinity, the throwout bearing retainer sleeve, we got the pilot bearing, and the star of the show, the throwout bearing. First up, we have the throwout bearing retainer sleeve. Now, the stock unit, garbage. Reason why? It's because it's two pieces that are tack welded together. This is one solid piece of steel that's going to ensure that it doesn't break on you. So, if your clutch pedal is squealing, installing a new throwout bearing on top of your new retainer sleeve is going to ensure that we get rid of that noise. This is what sits on top of the clutch and engages the clutch when you push on the clutch pedal. This is the main failure point in most bad clutch engagements, and it's so easy to replace, why wouldn't you? And the last of the Trinity is the pilot bearing. This is what the input shaft plugs into. This, just like any other bearing, tends to fail after use and abuse. So while you're down there, a new pilot bearing is a must. The SN95 cable-driven driveline is incredibly easy to maintain and service. The key is not to cheap out. That's why I recommend next time you're doing a driveline refresh or a clutch swap on your SN95 GT or Cobra that you install these components for perfect clutch engagement. Now, if you need the throwout bearing retainer sleeve, the pilot bearing, or the throwout bearing, they're going to be listed in the description below. If you guys have any questions regarding these items or any other items that you might need for your car, give us a shout, 561-753-8105, or send us an email at support@lethalperformance.com. I'm Pobs, and I'm out.